Welcome back to Euro Truck Simulator 2 with me, Chili Smith, driving for Sweet Truck All. Job number 260.
Come and join me on a journey for a sweet truck all on the road is where you find me. Just give me a call. Jump in the
Gonna go for a quick job. I believe we're in Hanover. Let's check. Oh, in Frankfurt apparently. Oh yeah, because I took a job for the quick job, so I didn't use my own truck. Okay, I was having issues yesterday with my game kept crashing, so I went and did a job, private job. I'm going to use my truck. It needs fixing first, so I think I'm going to do that first. Let's go to the map. I think that's a garage there. Haven't got far to go, so let's head there first. Drive, baby. Hopefully I'll fix my mic issues out. Might be a bit crackly, but hopefully you can hear me.
Let's go.
Wasn't recording for some reason. I wasn't picking up on the recording or anything, so not sure what was going on there, but I think I fixed it. Oh, is my handbrake on? Yeah, I need some fuel as well. Look, how much damages I've got to this truck? 8%. Not great, eh? I ran into a tram.
Recomputing.
Thanks, Doug. Got my lights on. They're all good. Got the settings on ultra because I'm on my own. No convoy or anything, so I don't. I haven't got to compensate. Not that I need to with my machine, but they're on the side of caution.
Turn left.
Wonder where Turkey Salad Boy's gone. He seems to have disappeared off the planet. Ooh, it's a bit wide there. Rescue, 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 rescue.
Turn left.
Turning left. Now, yesterday when I was doing this, my game kept crashing after about... I get round this corner, basically. I could go there, look, and get a job. Straight opposite. Yeah, I was getting a bit down here past these road tents. Honk honk. Welcome back. Oh, missed you all. Where you been? I've been to London to visit the Queen. The Queen is dead. Long live the King.
Go straight.
Anyway, welcome back. Currently in Germany, Frankfurt on Rhine, going to get my truck fixed because I'm.
Keep right.
Oh, I was going to go down that little bypass then, little path. Am I going down there? Am I? When the trucks are? Don't bother indicating stuff. It's okay. Don't think there's anything coming. I didn't really look. I didn't realise it was a roundabout.
Turn right.
I'm just following that caravan.
Keep right. And then keep right.
It's not been back in Morecambe. The caravans. Turning right here apparently. Anyway, I hope you can hear me.
And then exit right.
Like I say, been having issues with my microphone controllers, steering wheel, recording, you name it. Windows 11, God love it. Anytime I unplug or plug in my Oculus, it just messes my machine up, and we'll have to go and do all the settings again. Don't know why, not sure. But anyway, I'm back. So let's get this mother trucking load delivered. We ain't got a load yet. We've still got 7 kilometres to go to the get the trucks fixed. It's only 8%. I could have easily done a job on it, but I'll probably get another 8% damage on the way, and then another 20% on the job. So there it is. Oh, good part, fun part of trucking along with Chili Smith. The sweet truck haul. Maybe not my theme tune. I made that myself in ages ago, about a year ago now, probably. Over a year. Oh, there we go, I can see it. Yeah, there's a wrench, Don't want to be your monkey wrench. Who sang that?
Keep right, and then exit
It
right.
was their first hit, really. Monkey wrench. Quite a famous
Exit
singer,
right.
but very famous drummer. The same guy.
Get ready to turn left.
And the drummer from the band is no longer with us. Unfortunately, he died very young, a few years back. I'm talking about
Turn
the Foo
left.
Fighters. Dave Grohl being the drummer for Nirvana. There you go.
How many times do I have to tell you to slow down?
Oh, you're joking. Beastman got me. See his flashy lights in the mirrors then. He was on the opposite side of the road. Oh. See, it's costing me money just to get my truck fixed. Just to get in there. At least I've got my lights on. Because it's 9:20 at night and you don't want a £360 fine just for having your lights off. Right, I've got a nice cup of tea. Ooh, let's have a slurp. Kalbach. Don't know what that means. Don't speak German. Oh, there we go. I know what that means. Go. It's a green light. Go. Got to keep my speed up. I don't, because I've not got a job on yet. But good practice to get up to
Keep
speed
right, and then turn right.
and maintain your momentum as you would in a normal
Turn right.
long vehicular. I do like this camera turning when I steer the wheel. I still have to look left and right with my... Hello, right there, buddy. Honk honk. Nice little truck. What you got on there? Bags of sand. Here we go. Let's get this truck fixed. If you're watching Turkey Boy, see that number 1 that's lit up? Once I get there, it'll go off. If it doesn't, you can go in your map and uncheck
At
it.
the roundabout, take the
That
third
way,
exit.
you're not following the wrong sat-nav.
Good driving.
During our last convoy, I believe you clicked on me at Duisburg, so it was trying to tell you to go there, so it was directing you 870 miles away. I think that was the case. Right, let's get this truck fixed. Right, here we go. Maintenance and repair. This is where you can do all your decal and stuff. Service recommendations. It's going to cost me £6 to get it all not wear down. Look at the tyres wearing down there. Not that bad though. Ka-ching. Should I replace them? What's that one? Replace that one. Go on and replace it. There you go. That way I've got some nice new tyres. Right, okay, now we can go and get a job. Where's the nearest job to here then? Let's have a look at the map. Mapo. World map. It's an IKEA there, it's got something there, isn't there, surely? Stick a little thing on there, and let's go and...
You've got the contract. Now go.
I haven't got a contract, Dougie. I've not left myself enough room to turn. Bim, 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 bim. Make sure I don't reverse into anything. If I go there where that truck is, you can zoom in, look, if you press your mouse, middle mouse button. Another tip. Buy a truck there, or garage. Probably a truck. I'm not that sure, so. Anyway, I'm heading over here to see what jobs are over at Transnet. Because I'm sure you can just pick up random
Turn
jobs.
right. At the roundabout, take the first exit.
Okay, I'm
Exit
going
now.
that way. Thank you, Dougie. Very helpful today.
Get ready to turn left.
Okay, okay. Come on, lights, be nice. Let's have a honk, honk, honk.
Turn left.
Haha. Beastman, 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 Babylon. Oh, let's cut up that truck. Excuse me. Swig of tea. Yum, yum, yum. Excuse the bird. Slurping. Right, we can go 50, so try and get up to 50 if you can. 7th gear is pretty much there, so you can sit there, you know it's good. Foot to the floor. Got my little Michelin man in the top right there, look, swinging about. I've got some Michelin wear as well, look.
Go straight.
Thanks, Doug. Follow that truck. Right, Transnet's here.
Here we are. Safe and sound.
How do we get in? Here, look. Yeah, there's jobs, look. Thought there might be. Might not be close by jobs, though. They might be like miles away. You never know. So, here goes nothing. Excuse me, I've got a tickle. Right, there's 2 jobs here. One's some yogurt. 1,800 kilometres. The shorter one is 882 kilometres to Cambridge. That's not really helpful, is it? Should we go to the cargo? Let's go. Let's go out of there. That's no good to us. They're too far. So what we're gonna have to do is reverse, reverse, reverse. Let's get out of here, basically. Excuse me, I'm gonna have to go. I've got a tickle. Before I do, it's just find a job. Jobs. Frank Market. From Frankfurt. Cologne, Nuremberg, Stuttgart, Luxemburg. Propane to Luxemburg. 11 grand, that ain't bad, is it? For what? 321 kilometres. I think we'll take that job. Anyway. Set as GPS.
Get on with it.
Thanks, Doug. I'm trying.
Turn left.
Let's indicate. Be a good driver. Check that left-hand side again. You never know. Sneak up. Sometimes it drops it on a spawn point and they just appear, I'm sure. Right, so that's how you go and get your truck fixed. 7th gear is perfect. We're along here now. let's just go and find and hook up the job, and then we'll stop the video, and then or maybe just do the job, eh? Have a long video. I can upload it while I'm at work later.
Keep left, and then turn left.
Well, hopefully you can hear me, because I was having real issues.
Turn left.
They were real. That's a bit swanky driving, wasn't it? See that? Professor, no. Oh. Right, 80 now. Let's get wiggle on. Because the job's not going to do it itself. Another night job by the looks of it. We've got 8 kilometres till we get to the job. And we've got to hook it up to the back of our truck, because we got our own trucks. We're not doing a quick job for somebody else. It does mean any fine comes out of your own pocket, though. It does mean that any repairs, it also means, I'm pretty sure, you have to pay for your own possible ferry trips and stuff like that.
Keep right, and then turn right.
Checkpoints, toll roads. Those, not checkpoints, toll
Turn
roads is what I
right.
meant to say. Anyway, words of wisdom from the old Chili Meister. Right.
Keep left.
Yeah, thanks, Doug. Bit late there, mate. I've got a bloody holiday coach behind me now, because I'm going to try not to crash into. Them arrows came up a bit late. See, just had my truck fixed. Did that damage me? No, I think it doesn't, because it's one of those barriers. I thought that I'd turn those off, because you can. You turn the barriers off, it basically means you can make mistakes. Even more than you already do. Don't like these junctions. Dodgy, look at that, coming out onto that. And then the camera's all over the road, and I'm, oh my god, I'm going to be sick. Blech. Not really. Bit disorientating, wasn't it? Look down there, look, what's going down there?
Get ready to turn left.
Nothing much. Left. Now, I don't know how to approach roundabouts in Europe. Am I in the right lane?
Turn left.
Because I don't think I am. Because I'm going left. But, oh, trammage in the middle of it. That's dodgy, isn't it? Just asking for
Get
trouble.
ready to turn right.
Okay. I'm getting ready. Is that here?
Turn right.
Yeah, thanks, Doug. I can't remember what we're taking. Is it propane?
You're going to hit something.
Yeah, Doug, I just realised. Sorry, mate. Tad late, but I'll let you off.
Keep right, and then turn right.
Right. I'm going to need to get some
Turn
fuel.
right.
It's another thing you need to do when you've got your own truck. I've turned off the sleepiness mode,
Get ready to turn left.
because you tend to do them when you're not doing. You tend to sleep when you're not doing jobs, because if you're doing a job
Turn
with
left.
the time of sleeping, it knocks 9 hours off the job. So it's pretty much don't make any sense to do that, does it? So we'll cut him up a bit, but let's hopefully got away with that.
Get ready to turn right.
There must be a way, after I've done my looking, how to recenter the
Turn right.
mouse control. I'm going to have to look into that, because that would make life a lot easier.
Get ready to turn left.
Now I could look and then just leave it, and it'd roll back into the centre view, and then I could just carry on driving without
Turn
having to
left.
recenter my view on the mouse as well. Especially with this new am I in the right place? Oh, there he is. Thought I'd messed up there. Yeah, it looks like propane. Propane!
Here we are. Kind of on time.
We not even picked the thing up yet, Doug. What are you talking about, brother? You're full of it, mate. Earn money. Yeah, of course we're going to earn some money. We're a truck company. That one? Or Gdansk? Or Hungary? Starving? Or Liverpool? That's the fellow we're taking. Propane to Luxemburg. Boom! Don't get anything. £35 a kilometre. So, how'd you look at that? Ethane. £45. Very, very urgent. Not so urgent. We've got till 6 o'clock Wednesday morning. We're currently on 10 to 10. 10 to 10, 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 10 to 10. 10 to 10, 10 to 10, 10 to 10, 10 to 10. Something like that. There's a joke there somewhere. Anyway, let's take the job. God, I've taught some rubbish. Head towards the green flag on your mappo. So we're going there. There's our job, look. Zoom in using the middle mouse scroll. Possibly might be on your Xbox controller if you're using a controller. Right, don't want to hit that fence, do we really? Right, let's have a look out the window. Nice shiny truck. Let's hook him up to my truck. You can have advanced hooking up. I'm not sure what the difference is, but I know it's an option. Anyway, let's get this truckload done. I should have got some fuel before I picked that up, really, because that means it's going to take some time off the job. I hope I can spin round here. Looks like I can because there's other tracks, tyre tracks. Yeah, we're good. Right. Looks like we're going to Luxemburg. Fun, fun, fun. Of course it is. You with me.
Get ready to turn right.
Da, 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 da.
Turn right.
I'm going to turn right, Dougie, but first of all I've got to get to the entrance. Exit, entrance. Right, so if I look over there, my mouse, and over there, I've got to recenter my mouse with my hand. I don't want to do that because look, I don't know where the centre is. It's all off skew now, so I have to. So I need the setting somewhere. There's going to be one, I'm sure. There's a setting for everything else.
Turn left.
I've managed to make it follow the screen when I turn.
Turn left.
So I have another swig of tea. It's getting cold now. Because I've looked, and that's a real dodgy angle. See what I mean about the camera? It's great that when it swings it back round, but now I'm looking in the total wrong direction. Usually I'd be okay, but I was steering while I was drinking a cup of tea, so I couldn't change the view. So you can see what happens when I have to compensate.
Turn right.
Speak English. I've heard, I've seen that you can get some motion sensor things you can put on your head.
Turn right.
Is that right? And so when you turn your head, it turns your screen. I don't know if that's true. It's not like it's not a virtual VR headset or anything. It's just a head tracker, as far as I can work out, and they're not that expensive. So
Turn left.
if anyone knows anything about those, let me know in the comments. Anyway, like, subscribe if you're liking the content. Join me on a journey for Sweet Truck Haul. On the road is where you'll find me. Just give me a call. Jump in beside me and strap yourself
Keep right.
in. A honk on the horn. Let the adventures begin. Honk honk, baby. Nothing on the roundabout. That policeman was turning off, I'm sure. Good for speed,
Turn
because we're in
left.
7th gear at 50, that's perfect, because it doesn't go over 49. Unless you're downhill, you might get up to 54, but that's fine.
Turn
We've got
left, and then exit right.
5%. Oh god, I've gone the wrong way. Let's swing it
Finding new route.
round. Can I do that? That's talking, that is.
Get ready to exit right.
Here we go. That was alright, wasn't it? Got away
Exit
with that
right.
one. So easy to make a mistake. Rain. I can't remember what button it was. P. Excuse me. Right, it's 3:10 in the morning now. No, it's not. It's got to be there at 3:10. It's due there at 3:10. That's what estimated time we're going to arrive. Due to the time it is now and how fast we're going, that will change. The slower we go on the motorway, the more time it's going to take, and that time will increase. If we go to the speed limit or just a little bit over, which you are allowed, I have my settings at 5 miles an hour. After that I'm speeding. It lets me tells me that's when Doug goes, what you doing, mate? So
Keep right, and then exit right. Exit right.
Luxemburg, what's that
Turn
famous
right.
for? Luxems or Borgs? Don't know. What is Luxembourg famous for? Anyone know? Or anyone famous from Luxembourg? Can't think of anyone. Where's my high beam not on? There you go. I noticed.
Keep right,
Oh.
and then exit right.
Don't need any faster on
Exit
the.
right.
Yeah. Then straight, is it, Doug?
Go straight.
Yeah, late there, won't you? Jeez.
Keep right.
Sat nav with a silent H. Sat nav. He doesn't fill you full of confidence, old Douglas. He's a bit dry and sarcastic. Down to 50, look.
Keep left.
Make sure nothing's coming. See, that's plenty of indication there, Douglas. That's great. Love it. Oh, aeroplane taking off. Look at that. That's mental. Should we look at the other view? You can't see it in the other view. That's a pity. See, it's lights in the air, in the sky. Big moon coming up as well, just over the hill. Over to your left-o. Right, let's join this carriageway. Autobahn. Are they all autobahns? I'm not sure. I've never driven in Germany. Never been to Germany. Mannheim. Basel. I've heard of that. I've never heard of Basel. Basel brush. There you go. Boom, boom. When I was growing up, my mother hated Basil Brush. Don't know why. Don't know what he did to her. But she, Basil Brush, no. Yeah, we came on the telly. It was off. Anything else, yeah, do whatever you want. But Basil Brush, honk honk. Don't know what the score was with Basil, but no, Mum weren't happy with Basil. Funny that, because my football team emblem is a fox. Filbert. It was Filbert. That's the road. Filbert Street that the ground used to be on. Now on Filbert Way. Brand new street. Didn't exist before. When I lived there. I lived literally 500 yards from the football ground. My school was 500 yards the other side of the football ground, so I used to pass it every day. Used to play there quite a lot in my youth. couple of games at half time
Keep right.
during
Then
championship
exit right.
matches. Well, it would have been League One matches, because championship would have been Premier League still.
Exit right.
Because I'm an old gimmer. Ausfahrt. It
Get
does
ready
mean
to
exit.
turn right.
Oh, that's a sharp one. Look. Oh, look at them vines hanging down. Ew, look at the vines. I'm doing fine now. Without you, baby.
Turn right.
Who sang that? Why is that in my head? Oh my god, I don't even like that song. Wasn't, I'm going right here. Doug, you're leaving me hanging there, mate. I'm not sure what I'm supposed to be doing. I think I'm going straight on. Who sang that? Was it, Signe Youngblood's second hit? After, oh, what was his first one? Can't remember now. Everybody all around the world, stand up, love your brothers, up in your hands, delighted feelings, believe me. That's it. If only I could, I'd make this world a better place. I remember seeing him on, I think it was on TV when people used to watch TV. I think it was the Royal Variety or the Brit Awards when that first came out, and he was performing. And anyway,
Keep left.
the intro started and he's dancing around the stage and going end to end, and then his microphone's in the middle of the stage. And it came to the bit where he had to start singing, and he was still about 5 feet away from the mic. You couldn't hear him for the first 3 seconds. He just missed the cue totally because he was too busy farting about on the stage. That was funny. Signe Youngblood. Whatever happened to him? Apparently now he's a road sweeper in Birmingham. I don't know. I don't know if that's true, but you know, could be. Probably retired. Road sweeper from Birmingham. Or maybe it's a trucker. Youngblood trucks. Never heard of them, but anyway. Come on, 50. Why? What's that? Because I mean, I've got 223 kilometres to go. I don't need to be like going 50 miles an hour. Thanks, Doug. I'm keeping right. I'm on some sort of bridge. Don't know where Mannheim, that's where I am. Right here. So he says keep right, and then like there's a right and turn.
Slow down.
That's keep left, surely. Oh, I'm dropping down the gears. I'm getting carried away. I say all the glass and everything, the lights and stuff look awesome because, like I say, I've got ultra settings on. Oh, I like to have my right hand wing mirror on the screen so I can see it at all time. I think it's F2. You can toggle which ones you want on. It's just handy to have it. I know you don't really have, it's not real, but if I could flick my head over and have a look all the time, like you do in a car or when you are driving a truck, like you say, if you had one of those headsets, the tracking headsets, then I wouldn't need that. I could look over myself and actually check the real mirror that's in the game, but I think I need a new mic first. Yeah, my headset.
Left.
See, that's better, Doug. I didn't really need to know that because it's a total random right. I'm not going to go into that lane, but on the other ones, would have been slightly handy. Never mind. Anyway, I'm going to shut up. We're going to stick to the plan. Get this propane delivered without exploding or hitting anything, especially the back end. Right, I've got Tom Cruise control on now. Oh, I don't know. See, I'm tempted to go in that lane, but I don't know why. Not sure how the laneage works in Europe. I think that's why we have so many accidents in the UK now. There's that many European drivers because they have different laws, like in France per se. If you're coming onto the motorway, you have right of way over the main traffic, where in the UK you have to merge into the main traffic. So I think there's little bits like that. So when you're driving along in the town and suddenly you see someone letting a load of people out, maybe it's because that's what they used to, that's how they're taught in their own country, you know. I don't know, it's just a theory of mine. But you do see a lot of people flashing people out, and it's like, why? What are you doing that for? And they really hold the traffic up sometimes. Especially on the way to work through Lancaster, because it's a one-way system.
Do you even listen to me?
Oh, sorry, Doug. No, I didn't. You didn't say anything, mate. You didn't say slow down. You didn't say, oh, look, it's 60 miles an hour now. Pay attention, stop talking. No, you didn't. So don't start giving me shizzle.
You're going too fast.
Oh, stop. I can see that. I'm going downhill, though, look. Give me a break. Trying to keep up my speed. As you would, as you have to, when you're a lorry driver. Time is money. Fuel and efficiency. 158 kilometers to go. See, we've gained about 10 minutes, 20 minutes, because we've gone a little, like we've gone up to speed, a little bit over. So that's how you gain time on the jobs that are like urgent, triple urgent, where you've literally got to get them within the window, and if you hit any traffic lights or any diversions, you're not getting the job completed with perfect and getting your full XPs and stuff like that. So it's a good way to gain time on those jobs, just in case, you know, on the long bits when you can go a bit faster, there's no traffic, or on the autobahns, get it up to 83, 84.
Caution. You're exceeding the speed limit.
Ooh. As long as no police about, you can get away with it now and again. See, I don't know what's behind me. If I was a policeman, he would have gone woo woo woo, and I'd have had like £350 fine for that. Oh, look at my fuel. He's not mentioned that yet. I'm going to stop at this fuel stop here because I'm not got much left. Good to my notice, because Doug won't say anything, and believe me, you don't get much left. Oh, I've got to cross the road to get to it. You've got to be careful in these, because if you go in the look, see, no entry there on your left, look. So if you go in that direction, you will get fined for travelling on the wrong side of the road. Be aware of that. It's a little known thing, I believe. It's happened to me before, so you should always go in the right way. Good little tip. As he says, with curbs. These big stop engine off, because you need to, obviously, to fill up. Right, let's fill it up. Hold your finger on the A and it will just fill it up. Plop, 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 plop. Or enter on your keypad, I guess. Tank is full, 504. Diesel price 137. But do you know what? That's about right. Passed Asda yesterday, and I'm sure it was... I always think you hit something then when it does that. It's not, it's just taking your money. It makes the same noises. So right, let's try not to hit... I'm going to hit it. No, the sign survived. Lucky sign. That was a very lucky sign. Oh, look at that policeman behind me. I didn't even see him. Oh, honk, honk. Sorry, buddy. Because you've got my lights on, innit? It done me. Oh, vive la France. Oh, oui, oui, oui. Bonjour. Mes amis. Voila. Beastie Boys. Don't know why I said that. That's not French. Escargot. Look at that escargot. Oh, where's the centre reservation line? What? Must be France. Look at the trees. They have vast amount of greenery here. Oh, it feels really quick. We are going 76 in the dark. Somewhere. Going 76 in the dark. Maybe not like that. We've got some sort of... Get that speed down. Let's go in this one. Don't know why I wanted to go in this one, but I fancied it. I thought it was a straight through, but it's not. Oh, it is. Look out for those, because it saves you stopping, especially on the quicker jobs. Again, another great
Get ready
tip
to turn right.
from the old Chili's Meister.
Turn right.
I was talking then, Dougie, come on. 260th job. Oh, what did I hit? The barrier. 260th job, and I still can't drive a truck. Brilliant. All this before I go to work. Lovely. I'm going to get home from work. Guess what I'm going to do? Actually, after I've done this, I'm going to eat, because I cooked a big bolognese last night. So I'm going to have a big fat lunch. Stroke tea. Before I go to work. And then when I get home, I can just have a nibble on sandwich. Another toll. $1.7 million in the bank. So I can afford trucks and garages and staff, but...
You're going to hit something.
Oh, I know, Douglas, I know. I just never learn. I'm gonna follow. Oh, I'm gonna follow these. Almost had him. They look like they're going straight through. Yeah, look. Haha. Slightly off the line Douglas wanted me to take, because the line over to your right is the truck lane. I'm surprised actually sometimes it lets you through those, but it does. So no complaints. I better get in the lane I need to be in. I should be in. I think I should be in. It's going to be a long video if you can't hear me. It's a long video if you can hear me. See, we're at 3:10 again now because of that little crash and tolls. I'm to slow down. We've lost 20 minutes. Oh, fuel. There you go. That cost us time too. We haven't got to fill up now for at least another 3 jobs, I don't think. Depends how far the job is. If it took one that's 1,800 miles, I'm obviously going to have to fill it up a few times. And you can go all the way across Europe. A friend of mine,
and then exit right.
Did the whole of the north over COVID. I didn't even know about the game then.
Turn right.
Kept his sanity, he said. He said it's great. There's snow on the ground, you're slipping about everywhere, and oh, not raining anymore, I don't need my wipers. Let me start again now. Oh, there's one other thing. Be prepared for jump scares when the lightning goes off sometimes. Oh my god. This made me jump that much before that I actually scared the dog. My fluffy butterball. My furry flumpkin. Services round here. Anyone against us? I need a shit. No? Okay. We're going to stop then. We've got 34 kilometres to go. I might as well do a park, hadn't I? I'll mess it up this time because I'm recording. Probably the best bit is the parking. It's also the most frustrating, and it's also the most satisfying. Sometimes you get it right first time and you're like, oh my lord, and other times you're just like, what? Why? How? Why did I choose that park it there? Why did I just choose an easy option? Now it's late, stuff like that. But we've got plenty of time on this job as far as I'm aware.
Keep right, and then turn right.
I feel 80 kilometres an hour is fast enough.
Turn
It feels
right.
really quick. I don't know about you. It just seems really... It is, isn't it? It is in a truck. Down to 50. 7th gear. I was going to say something then, but it would be just the ultimate kiss of death. Right, we are currently heading into Luxemburg. Policeman, beastman. You going to the donut shop, mate? Grab us a hundreds and thousands. Haha. Oh, a big fat jammy one. With some. Oh, what's it called? Caster sugar. Not caster sugar.
Take the
Is
third
it?
exit.
Icing sugar on top. Oh, look at him on the outside. Dirty, dirty, dirty mother trucker. Don't trust anybody. Watch you inside and your roundabouts as well. Especially on your longer loads. Oh, looks like we need to be in the left-hand lane further up, so we might as well get in there now. Looks like old truck up in front's going the same direction. Never actually seen a truck pull into the same place as I have in 260 games, apart from obviously in a convoy.
Go straight.
Hey, come on, put your foot down. It's a 50, not a 30.
Keep left, and then turn left.
Right on.
Turn left.
I wonder if Hans is on the gate. Hello, Hans. You need hands. Ooh, I think they had someone on the gate Propane Centre, wouldn't you? All them high explosives about.
We're here.
I
Right
know.
on time.
Thanks, Doug. Right, where's the... Look at the state of that map. Oh my god, where's he want it? So, swoopy whoopy. And in there, or... Just pop them there. So, swoopy whoopy it. 90 XP. Go on then. Let's have a swoopy whoopy. It's going to be really tight, I bet. Yeah, I bet it's going to be like really hard. It's over there somewhere. There it is. Right. A bit of room to swing it in. Not much so, look. It's beyond there. A wall. Okay. So I'll keep it as tight as I can to these. It's right in the far corner as well. Do 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 do. So let's get him Try and get it straight with that. Okay, right, let's have a look. Okay. So I need to go a bit around this way. Don't hit anything behind you. That'll do. Right, okay, back in my cockpit. And go forward. Told you it's going to be a ball ache, didn't I? I know what I should have done, but it's a bit late for that now. Gone the wrong way again. Let's go forward. Let's go back. That's it. I've got to go forward again. It's really tight. You've got to appreciate some of these drivers have to work. I am making hard work of it though, I must admit, but it isn't easy. So that looks pretty good. Just to get that rear end round. Without hitting that other vehicle behind me. I'm not sure if I've got the scope. Have I? Got a bit of room. Right, okay. Let's go back to here, around that side. Okay, so now I need to, again, straighten up. I should have just, I'm turning round to go and do what I should have done from the other side, really. I've done it all wrong. But, hey ho. Hopefully now I've got enough turn. It's good we've got plenty of time, isn't it? Obviously the slower you go, the more it's going to turn for you in the back. Oh, do you know what? I'm just going to do this. It's going to be a lot easier. Excuse me, made like pigs here. Doing it this way now. Can't see much. Oh dear. Start spinning it round now. Watch that front end on that thing there. Oh my god, it's tight, isn't it? I'm at this angle because I can't see. Oh, wrong way again. Ooh, it's so hard. Determined to do it though. I'm way off again, look. Sometimes you just feel like giving up, but that's not the way to do it, is it? You couldn't just give it up if you were to build a truck. I keep going the wrong way, that's my problem with steering. Is overcompensating? Do you know what? Let's just do the job before we run out of time. Oh dear, that was funny. Oh well, never mind. Yes, you could say I'm a failure, but I still got all the money that I needed for the job, and it was on time. So anyway, hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for joining me. It's going to be a really long video, and I'll catch you in the next one.